How to log out of Genshin Impact account on PS5. Welcome back to the channel, and let's jump right into this tutorial. As we all know that it is pretty simple to log out of your account on your PS5 and Xbox. However, in the case of Genshin Impact, there is no direct way to log out of your Genshin Impact account on PS5. So if we really want to log out or sign out of Genshin Impact account, we need to type in an email to the Genshin Impact customer support. Now, in order to do that, what you have to do is you have to open up your email. You can go to your Gmail or Outlook, any email support that you use. Now, once you are in your Gmail, make sure that you are logged into your account. As a receiver, type in Genshin_cs@hoyoverse.com. In the subject, type in sign out or log out. In the description box, make sure to enter your username, player ID, email address, and type in what you want this email to address. Simply type in I would like to sign out, and you can also type in a reason if you want to. Then tap on the send icon and wait until the customer support of Genshin gets back to you with the sign out instruction. Just follow the prompt given by them and you'll be able to sign out of your account. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.